Tick-tock, tick-tock. Can you hear the sound of those little hands gliding around the clock face? Every second that passes, every minute that ticks by is a reminder that time keeps moving forward, no matter what. And with each passing moment, it feels like our world just keeps on spinning faster and faster. But have you ever stopped to think how we track time? How do we go from a bunch of random numbers and ticking hands to knowing exactly where we are in the grand scheme of things? Believe me, this question has kept me up at night too. And after hours of research, I uncovered some amazing answers. And I can't wait to share them with you. Back in the olden times, people relied on the sun for light and warmth during the day. And they paid close attention to where the sun's rays fell on the ground. They noticed that the position of the sunlight changed throughout the day, moving from east to west as the earth turned. Using this knowledge, our ancient ancestors crafted tools called sundials, which consisted of a central point called a gnomon, which cast a shadow onto a flat surface marked with numbers and symbols. As the sun moved across the sky, the shadow moved along the scale, providing a rough estimate of the time. The Egyptians were among the first to develop sophisticated sundials, and some scholars believe they used these devices as early as 3500 BC. However, sundials had their limitations. Their accuracy depended on the clarity of the sky and the season of the year. During cloudy days or in winter, the unreliable nature of sundials led people to search for alternative methods of timekeeping. Ancient civilizations like the Babylonians and Greeks explored water clocks, sometimes known as clepsydras. These devices measured time by monitoring the flow of water, either by the dripping of water from a container or the rising or falling of water levels in two vessels. One of the most recognizable and enduring methods of measuring time is the hourglass. It consists of two glass bowls connected by a narrow opening with a fine material such as sand or glass beads flowing from one bulb to the other. The flow of material is consistent and visible, allowing the user to track the passage of time. The hourglass originated in Egypt, sometime around the 1st century. AD and quickly gained popularity across Europe and the Middle East. While these early timekeeping methods were innovative, they were not without their drawbacks. The hourglass, for example, could be easily influenced by temperature changes, and the material could become unevenly distributed in the bulbs. Additionally, these devices were primarily designed to measure short durations of time, typically in the range of 15 minutes to an hour. As societies advanced, the demand for more precise and longer duration timekeeping instruments increased. This led to the development of more sophisticated timekeeping methods, paving the way for the mechanical revolution. The mechanical revolution in timekeeping began in the 13th century with the invention of the mechanical clock, a device that relied on gears and weights to measure time. These early clocks were often large and placed in towers or public buildings. The most crucial component of the mechanical clock was the escapement mechanism, which controlled the release of energy stored in weights or springs. This mechanism, combined with the oscillation of a weight or a pendulum, allowed for a more precise and consistent measurement of time. The introduction of the pendulum by Christian Huygens in the 17th century significantly enhanced the accuracy of mechanical clocks. A pendulum, a weight suspended from a fixed point, swings back and forth at a constant rate determined by its length and the force of gravity. By utilizing the regular motion of a pendulum, clocks could achieve greater precision, laying the foundation for the highly accurate timekeeping instruments we rely on today. For centuries, mechanical clocks served as the primary means of measuring time, playing a vital role in various aspects of society, including agriculture, transportation, and industry. The accuracy and reliability of these clocks enabled farmers to plan planting and harvesting schedules, facilitated the synchronization of train schedules, and regulated factory production. Moreover, the widespread use of mechanical clocks contributed to a collective awareness of time, shaping societal norms and routines. However, despite their accuracy, mechanical clocks were still susceptible to minor variations due to factors such as temperature fluctuations, humidity, and slight imbalances in the pendulum. The quest for even higher precision led to the development of new timekeeping methods. In the mid-20th century, quartz clocks emerged as a revolutionary innovation in timekeeping. Unlike their mechanical counterparts, quartz clocks utilize the vibrations of a quartz crystal to regulate time. When an electrical current is applied to a quartz crystal, it produces a precise and stable frequency of vibrations. By counting these vibrations, a quartz clock can maintain exceptional accuracy. These clocks were not only more precise, but also more affordable and easier to maintain compared to mechanical clocks. The advent of quartz clocks marked a significant shift in timekeeping technology and had a profound impact on various aspects of modern life. One notable impact was the miniaturization of clocks, enabling the production of compact and portable quartz watches and digital clocks. This development greatly enhanced the accessibility of timekeeping devices and allowed individuals to constantly monitor the time. Quartz clocks also played a crucial role in the advancement of digital technology. The precise timekeeping capabilities of quartz oscillators became integral to electronic devices such as computers and smartphones, ensuring accurate timekeeping and synchronization across digital systems. Furthermore, quartz clocks had a profound impact on industries requiring precise time measurements. In fields such as telecommunications and finance, where time is of utmost importance, quartz clocks provide the necessary accuracy for scheduling, synchronizing data, and executing trades efficiently. But wait, there's more. The story doesn't end here. Because we have more videos about science, technology, history, math, engineering, and more on our channel. So what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and never miss out on any of our awesome adventures. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video. Time keeps ticking and we've come to the ultimate timekeepers, the atomic clocks. Atomic clocks leverage the incredibly precise vibrations of atoms to provide the most accurate measurement of time. At the heart of an atomic clock lies a resonant cavity where electromagnetic radiation is used to excite atoms. The atoms absorb and re-emit the radiation at a specific frequency, which is determined by the properties of the atom and the strength of the electromagnetic field. This resonant frequency is extremely stable and consistent, making it ideal for timekeeping purposes. Atomic clocks have achieved a level of accuracy that defies imagination. They lose or gain only a few seconds every 100 million years. To put this into perspective, an atomic clock would have to be wound just once every 19 million years to account for the time difference. But how do these incredible clocks work? Atomic clocks are complex instruments that involve several key components working in harmony to keep time with unrivaled precision. First, we have the microwave generator, which produces electromagnetic waves at a specific frequency. These waves are directed into the clock's vacuum tube, where they interact with the atoms of rubidium or cesium, the most commonly used elements in atomic clocks. The interaction between the microwaves and atoms results in a frequency that is exceptionally stable and resistant to external disturbances. To ensure maximum accuracy, atomic clocks are shielded from external influences that could disrupt the delicate balance of atoms. These clocks are typically housed in temperature-controlled facilities, isolated from external vibrations and magnetic fields, allowing the atoms to resonate freely. Regular calibration and maintenance are essential to ensure the continued accuracy of atomic clocks. National metrology institutes and timekeeping authorities periodically calibrate these clocks against international standards to maintain their precision. One of the most remarkable features of atomic clocks is their ability to operate continuously for extended periods. With minimal maintenance, they can function reliably for decades without losing accuracy. This reliability makes them indispensable for applications where precise timekeeping is paramount. Atomic clocks have revolutionized our ability to measure time with unmatched precision. Their stability and accuracy have had a profound impact on various aspects of modern life. Global Positioning System, GPS, relies heavily on atomic clocks to synchronize satellites and receivers, ensuring accurate positioning and navigation worldwide. Scientific research also benefits immensely from the precision of atomic clocks, enabling experiments that require precise time measurements. In fields such as physics and astronomy, these clocks play a crucial role in advancing our understanding of the universe. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, the demand for even more precise timekeeping instruments remains strong. Researchers are exploring new methods and technologies to enhance the accuracy and reliability of atomic clocks. These advancements will further solidify the role of atomic clocks as the ultimate timekeepers, driving progress in fields that require the highest level of precision. The future of timekeeping holds exciting possibilities. With ongoing advancements in technology, scientists are constantly striving to improve the accuracy and reliability of timekeeping instruments. One promising area of research lies in the development of optical clocks, which utilize the properties of light to measure time. Optical clocks offer the potential for even greater precision and stability, pushing the limits of timekeeping to new heights. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the fascinating history of timekeeping. From the earliest sundials to the cutting-edge atomic clocks, we've explored how humans have kept track of time throughout history. If you enjoyed this journey through time, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Also, let us know in the comments below which era of timekeeping fascinated you the most. Until next time, keep ticking and stay curious.